Hello friends, welcome to Vidya's cooking channel. This is Vidya Lakshmi. Today I'll be preparing Vangibath. This is a very simple dish that we serve for breakfast and for lunch. This Vangibath is a rice dish, but we prepare it with semolina also. I'll be showing you the other version in the future video. I've laid out all the ingredients for the Vangibath powder. So this spice mix is used in this recipe. I'll be using coriander powder, sesame seeds, poppy seeds, desiccated coconut, cumin, dried red chilies, fenugreek, peppercorns, chana dal, split chickpeas, black gram dal, cinnamon and cloves, fennel seeds. All the ingredients used in this recipe will be listed in the description box below this video, or you can click the icon above this video which will direct you to my blog. In the blog I've posted a detailed recipe. I've heated a wok on medium flame. Once the wok has reached temperature, I've added the split chickpea, black gram dal, cumin, peppercorns, fenugreek, cinnamon, cloves, sesame seeds and poppy seeds. We'll be dry roasting all these ingredients first on very low flame. Once your poppy seeds and your sesame seeds starts to sputter, that is when your ingredients have fried. So keep stirring it and frying this on very low flame. It should not burn. If it burns, you'll have a bitter taste in the masala. I'm preparing a very small amount, so I've added all the ingredients together. If I'm preparing this in bulk, I will not dry roast this all together. I'll dry roast each ingredient separately. So in the same wok, I'll be adding the dried red chilies. I've removed all the caps from the dried red chilies. I'll dry roast it first. If you have time, please dry roast all your ingredients separately because all the ingredients cook in a different time. So if you cook everything together, some ingredients may not get dry roasted. I'm preparing a very small batch, so I'm dry roasting everything together. So here you can see I've dry roasted the red chilies. Add the desiccated coconut and the coriander powder. We'll dry roast all the ingredients. It will have a good aroma. Now once I've dry roasted all the ingredients, I placed it on a plate, allowed it to cool down completely before I added it to a mixer jar. So here all my ingredients are dry roasted. I've allowed it to cool and I've transferred all the ingredients to a mixer jar. We'll grind this into a powder format. Here you can see I've ground it into a powder format. We can store this powder in an airtight container and use it as required. For this recipe I'll be using the white eggplant. So all the ingredients for the Vangibath is ready at the moment. So this white eggplant I've chopped it into cubes and I placed it in salted water. It will not discolor. Here I've got cooked rice. If you've got freshly cooked rice, spread it on a plate and reserve. Cinnamon sticks, clove, cardamom and bay leaf will require for the tempering. The prepared Vangibath powder, chili powder, coriander powder and turmeric powder will require. We'll also require fresh coriander, lemon juice, curry leaves and asafoetida. Now I'll start preparing the masala or the base for the rice. In the same wok which I did the masala, I'm using the same wok. I'll be adding the oil. I'm using sunflower oil. But if possible, use sesame oil or peanut oil. It will enhance the flavor and taste. Now I'll add the spices, bay leaf, cardamom, cloves, cinnamon. I've allowed these spices to splutter and I've added the curry leaves. Now we'll add the brinjal. There is no water usage in this recipe. So the masala is prepared only in oil. So now once I've added the eggplant, I'll be adding the chili powder, coriander powder and turmeric powder. We'll also add salt as per taste and the asafoetida. We'll fry all these ingredients. A detailed recipe is on my blog, friends. Blog link will be posted in the description box below this video, or you can click the icon above this video which will direct you to my blog. So once I've added salt, I'll cover this and fry this eggplant on low to medium flame. Here you can see the eggplant has shrinked in volume and it's fried. At this point I checked for salt and the heat. It required more heat, so I've added extra chili powder, salt, and I've added the Vangibath powder. The eggplant is cooked at this point. I've added lime juice and I'll fry all the ingredients for another 2 more minutes. Also like me and follow me on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter, friends. All my social media handle links will be listed in the description box below this video. Same recipe is translated and posted in YouTube Tamil. YouTube Tamil link will also be listed in the description box below this video. Now after 5 to 10 minutes you can see the eggplant has cooked. The oil is starting to separate. At that point I'll remove half the amount of that masala. It will be easy for me to mix the vegetable with the rice. So the rice has also cooled down. I separated the rice and spread it on a plate and reserved it. I've added the rice to the eggplant masala and mixed everything together. I've also added coriander leaves. You can add extra lime juice. Now you can mix the masala in the rice. So whenever we are preparing this eggplant, we'll prepare it in bulk. We'll prepare one rice dish or we'll prepare semolina. We'll also use this eggplant as a side dish. It's a very nice and tasty recipe on its own. So once I've mixed the rice, I garnished it with some coriander and lime juice and I've served it hot. We serve this for breakfast and lunch. In my previous video, I've shown you how to prepare bundi raita. So bundi raita recipe, the link I'll list in the description box below this video. Bundi raita pairs very well with this Vangibath. So do try this recipes and post your comments. If you enjoyed watching this video recipe, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to me for more recipes. I'll be seeing you soon with the next recipe video. This is Vidya Lakshmi. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.